Okay, this is going to be a quick video in which I talk about what the goals and the focus are for K2. So first of all, K2 focuses on your ability to build a proof of concept or a minimal viable product. I'm not focusing on a completed advanced application. In fact, if I ever build anything that kind of takes off, there's a good chance that it will need to be rewritten on another tool or another platform. Now, hopefully the REST API is all there, so you could rewrite the application using Angular or React or a mobile app, and then the back end still works because it's all REST enabled. So as you'll see here, we kind of take a REST, an API first mentality. Everything should be, and so building those APIs for your proof of concept should be really easy. So I want to be able to build MVPs, and I want to be able to go from idea to actual website very, very quickly. And so hopefully everything I'm doing is heading in that direction. Using K2, you'll be able to build a basic monetized SaaS application in as little as a few hours that has the look and feel of any other SaaS application. So we want it to look, we don't want people to know they're working with Oracle Apex or Oracle in that regard. I'm looking at Stripe integration initially, but there'll be other ways to do integration. You've got authorization and a form, sign-in form, forgot password, all this kind of stuff out of the box. Within a few hours, you can get it installed, up and running, and you can potentially have some back-end code that you expose via REST API, and you've got a monetized app. And hopefully I'll be doing a tutorial, have time to put a tutorial together in which I show you how to do this. So K2 is not just a framework, although I don't even know what a framework really means, because I think what this is a framework. But a framework is more than just, it's a way of doing things. It's a methodology, a file layout, and that's what we're doing with K2. But it should enhance your productivity. So I'll probably change this. It is a framework that I don't know how to say this, but it's more than just like tools and utilities. It's kind of a methodology, and that methodology will change as I discover new ways to kind of meet these other goals. K2 is API enabled out of the box, so any features I build, for example, you've got performance monitoring capabilities, you've got the ability to monitor Oracle, you've got the ability to monitor anything, you've got the ability to write alerts, manage contact groups and send alerts and this kind of things. So all that's going to be API enabled. In theory, you'll be able to install K2 on an Apex instance, not even necessarily build a website, and expose that API to use that API. So you just do that with, like, I don't know if Apex will need to be there, just ORDs, and I don't know what the exact, ORDs is the RESTful service. I think Apex is built on ORDs. I'm not sure how it all works. It works. And another goal, and not necessarily the final goal, but the final one I have here, is minimize costs. As I looked into hosting providers using Oracle Cloud, these kinds of things, the cost can be substantial, especially if you want vanity URLs and the ability to have more than 20 or 30 users on at a time. So I'm always going to be looking for ways to deploy K2 and make that as fast and as easy as possible. So hopefully at some point in the future, you'll be able to, maybe out of the box, get an image up and running in Amazon, and I can tell you what the cost is going to be and all of those kinds of things. Right now I'm running on both Oracle Cloud Free Tier, and I also have Max Apex, and I had to go to both locations recently because I was having some issues with reliability, and so now I've got them. I can do I can deploy to both environments fairly easily. So those are kind of the project goals and the focus. And right now I'm building a product called Chart Density. It's really just a project that I want to use to kind of push K2 along. So, and that's all it is initially. So I hope that clarifies what K2 is about, and hope you will someday become a user of K2. Thank you for watching.